One, you're welcome to today's tutorial. I want to teach you how to do your crochet by using your attachments. Then look at the way I'm going to go in with. You bring out one, you cut it out, your attachment, then you roll it inside your Brasilia rollers. Look at the way I'm going in. Take it little by little, slow and steady wind erase. As you can see, it's going well. So now I'm done with everything now. It's time to put our hot water. Hot water, I never said warm water. As you can see, it's very hot. So I'm pouring it inside now. And I have to leave it inside the water for like a minute for it to soak down, to go inside and feeling the heat. Now, I'll blow dry my hair. So it's time to lose it now, because then you see this fine crochet that we have here. You can do your own crochet yourself. You don't need to go and buy your attachment to do your crochet and do your whatever. You can use it for packing gel. You can use it for anything you like. You can see now, very fine. So we're going to use it to do short bob. Yeah, we're going to use it for short bob. Now look at it. I'm done unveiling it. Now it's time to fix it in my client's hair. The other side is I did it packing gel the back. Then the front, I just want to put it at the side. Then you see it now. We are about to start now. And look at my crochet pin. It's about to go in now. As you can see. Then see. Yes. Take it easy so that you won't scatter your crochet, because it's handmade. Yes. I did not put anything, no. I did not put anything. Yes, you can cut it if you think that it's too long. You can cut it, then you make use of what you want to make use of. Yes. Then you apply it same way I'm doing it. Watch and learn something new. You can even be doing it and you will even sell it to your customer if you're hairstylish. Yes, they will like it. You can do a very short one. You can do a long one. You can do an average, anyone at all you want to do based on the way you like it. But this is the way my clients want it. That's why I have to cut it short. Look at my crochet now. Can your crochet ever? Look at the way it's shining. Very fine. Beautiful. Yes. Now I'm on the last stage now. Yeah. We're almost done. We are almost done. Almost done with the hair. Yes. Make sure you take your time to do it. Do not rush it so that you get what you are looking for. Do not rush it. I repeat, do not rush it. Do not be in a hurry. Take your time. Yes, and do it to your taste. You can even use it for fringe, but I just did center part. But I covered the pattern. Yes. Are you seeing what I'm doing? It's going well. So enjoy what I am doing now. It's very easy anyway. Very easy. You can do your own crochet and do your baby hair with it. Yes, you can do your baby hair with it. Understand me? So watch, learn, and understand. Yes. Fine. Now, I want to close it now. Closing time. Closing time. Almost done. It's not easy, Sha. But I'm almost done. The last but not the least. I am the